Are you desiring a fast hair growth? I'll share with you today a simple treatment that will boost your hair game for real, and that treatment is scalp oiling. Now, scalp oiling is not just an old tradition. It is a science-backed hair growth secret, and when done the right way, you can literally transform dry, dull hair into thicker, stronger strands. So guys, in this video I'll be sharing with you the reasons or the benefits of scalp oiling, the best tips for scalp oiling to promote hair growth, and lastly the method that speeds up results. Okay, so stick with me to the end, because at the end of this video you're going to see the reason why you should embark, why you should try this treatment, and exactly how you're going to benefit from it. Now, without further ado, let's get right into the video. So my loves, I'll be sharing this with you while I show you visually a simple oil recipe and the application. Alright guys, so now let's start with the benefits of scalp oiling. Now, one of the benefits of scalp oiling is the fact that it can boost blood circulation. So when you massage oil into your scalp, this helps to increase blood flow, which brings more oxygen and nutrients to the roots and help the hair grow thicker and stronger over time. Now, the second benefits or reasons why you should oil your scalp is the fact that it helps to reduce breakage and retain more length. Oiling helps to reduce dryness and friction by protecting the strands from snapping and keeping the ends smooth and elastic. If your hair is super dry, it will likely snap. However, oiling your scalp and your hair, especially your ends, helps to keep your hair more elastic. The third reason is that oiling nourishes the hair follicles. So when you use natural oils such as coconut oil, olive oil, and castor oil, which are rich in vitamins and fatty acids, it feeds the follicles and stimulates dormant ones. So the first reason why you should oil your scalp is it helps to protect your hair from damage. Now, oiling the scalp regularly acts as a barrier against harsh shampoos, especially when you oil your scalp before you wash your hair, okay, and against weather and heat. So it prevents scalp dehydration and protein loss. Okay, so these and many more are the reasons why you should start oiling your scalp for hair growth. Now, the second phase of this video is the tips for oiling your scalp to promote fast hair growth. Okay guys, so the first tip is to warm your oil slightly, as in hot oil treatment style. Okay, so heating the oil slightly will help the oil to penetrate deeper, you get, and improve circulation. Please note that you don't have to warm the oil so that it burns your scalp. Okay, all right. Tip number 2. Massage gently for 5 to 10 minutes. It is best to use your fingertips and move your hand in a circular motion. This step alone can double your results when done consistently. Please use your fingertips, not your nails. Okay, all right. Now, tip number 3, please focus on the scalp and not just the hair. Start applying the oil directly from your scalp or directly on your scalp, and then spread it down the length of your hair. Okay. Tip number 4, use the right oils for your hair type and your hair goals. Now, if you're looking for thickness, then use oils such as castor oil, fenugreek oil, and amla oil. And if you're looking for growth stimulation, then use oils such as peppermint oils, rosemary, or clove oil. And if you're looking for moisture, please use oils such as coconut oil, olive oil, or avocado oil. And the best part, you can also mix all of this oil together to get maximum benefit in one. All right. And tip number 5, please be consistent. Do it at least 2 to 3 times a week for best results, or once a week if you are the type who have oily scalp. And if you have oil sensitive scalp, please skip entirely. Don't oil your scalp. You can oil your hair strands, but please don't oil your scalp. Okay, all right. Tip number 6, please don't overdo it. All right, doing it too much will actually clog your pores. It will cause more harm than good. It will clog your pores and attract more dirt to your hair. And lastly, cover your hair after oiling. It is important that you cover your hair to trap in some heat after oiling your hair. And right after that, follow up with shampooing your hair with a mild shampoo. Okay, please don't do this and not wash it out. Okay, especially when you use too much oil. If you do not wash it out, it is actually going to cause disaster. All right. All right guys, so the last phase of this video is method that speed up results, that will give you faster results. Okay, now the first method is inversion method. This inversion method is where you bend your hair upside down, and you can do this for at least 3 to 4 minutes. And this method works by boosting blood circulation, which may accelerate growth with consistency. Please I want to add, if you're someone that used to have that kind of headache, as if somebody is knocking on the door of your head, because avoid using this method. Okay, because bending your hair over for someone who suffers migraine is actually going to worsen the case. And if you have any issue, any health issue that this method might worsen, please don't do it. Okay, all I'm trying to say is do it if it's safe for you to do. All right, it is not compulsory. Oiling your scalp alone is already very effective. All right, and I still have about two methods to share with you. Okay, so the second method is a steaming treatment. So you can do this by using a steamer. I will put a picture up here. Then you can just sit and put your head here so that it will steam your hair. You can also use a heat cap or a hot towel, okay, and just wrap it around your hair. So this method works by opening the scalp pores so that the oil absorbs deeper. Remember that our scalp also has holes just like the skin on our body. Okay, now using this heat method is actually going to open the holes, yeah, so that the nutrients in those oils will penetrate deeper and give you that faster result. I'm telling you, if you've not been doing this, you should definitely do it. If you don't have any heat cap or steamer and you don't want to use a hot towel, it's okay. All you can do is to wrap your hair. You can do this at night. Wrap your hair and go to bed. Wrap your hair properly, because also this can be messy if you are sleeping with it. Okay, then the next day proceed with your wash day. Okay, now doing this is going to trap in your body heat, which will also work as though you actually used heat cap and the rest of it. Okay, so if you don't have heat cap and all, it's not an excuse for you not to also benefit from this method. The third method I shared slightly earlier is mixing growth boosting oils together. Okay, so you can add different growth boosting oils such as rosemary oil, peppermint oil, tea tree oil. Mention them. Oils that will help to stimulate hair growth. Okay, you can mix it up together and it will help to stimulate the follicles and improve scalp health. Now the last but not the least method is to put your hair in a protective style after oiling. Okay, so now putting your hair in a protective style after oiling is going to help you to retain moisture and reduce breakage. All right my love, so now you know the reason, the tips and the method of using oil treatment on your hair so that you will begin to experience hair growth. If you do this consistently but not overdoing it, okay, from now till the end of this year, I'm telling you, you're going to see results. You're going to notice that your hair will reduce shedding. Number one, you're going to experience thickness. I'm telling you, your hair will feel fuller, bouncier, and even look healthier. Okay, if your hair is healthy, my sister, you're not going to be experiencing all these issues like breakage and the rest of it. And if you're not experiencing breakage, you're definitely you're going to definitely see the growth that you're looking for. Okay, so I encourage you to give this one treatment a trial. Okay, and I would like to know in the comment section which oil is your best oil for oiling your hair. And guys, please, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to share this video. Okay, share it so that more sisters will come across it and you might help 1 or 2 people and also help me to grow my channel. Thank you very, very much. And please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Okay, giving it a thumbs up sends signal to YouTube that the video is valuable. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel if you've not done so. Hit on your notification bell so that you get notified each time I drop a banger just like this one. All right guys, my name is Favor. Until I come your way next time, please take care of your amazing self and bye. Mwah.